If Plato is the first political philosopher, then Aristotle stands as first political scientist. It was Aristotle who gave the concept of science of politics, which is based on observation and classification of a political institution and behavior. Aristotle born in 384 BCE at Stagira. Aristotle's father was a physician to the king of Macedon. This made Aristotle to take keen interest in studying physical sciences. Aristotle joined the Academy of Plato at the age of 18 and remained there for about 20 years. Later on, he also established his own school known as Lyceum, wherein he taught and also guided research. Though Aristotle was inspired by the teachings of Plato, he differed greatly from his teacher as far as his ideas and methods were concerned. Aristotle studied many subjects like zoology, physics, philosophy, logic, psychology, economics, ethics, etc. Aristotle lived for 62 years. He lived during the most critical period of Greek history, when the Greek city-states were degenerating. Like Plato, Aristotle also desired unity and political stability of Greek city-states. Many works of Aristotle have been destroyed. Politics, which is greatest contribution to the political science, which was written after studying over 158 constitution of his period, made him world famous. He also wrote book on logic, metaphysics, medicine, constitution, economics, ethics, politics, physics, etc. His famous work, Politics, is the most systematic, analytical, and most original work on political science. It deals with the art of government, which is a reality. Aristotle was greatly influenced by the decline of city-states in Greece. Plato's works, especially The Statesman and Laws, beliefs that prevailed in Greek city-states, like for example justification of slavery, active role of citizens in public life, superiority of city-states over other forms of social organizations, etc. Aristotle used inductive, comparative, analytical, scientific, and observational methods in his works. He had great respect for history also. He was a realist and gave practical ideas for the systematic study of politics. Aristotle, in his prominent work, that is, The Politics, has given many political ideas related to varied subjects like origin of the state, nature of the state, end of the state, family, property, slavery, justice, education, constitution, revolution, etc. The issue that he examined in detail in his book includes the origin and the nature and the purpose of the state, justification of slavery, revolutions, classification of governments or the constitutions, and the concept of the best state.